Welcome to the Airbnb OS, your all-in-one dashboard designed to simplify your property management tasks and daily workflow. As we scroll through the dashboard, you'll see an overview of key sections like our Scrum board, calendar, and the property list, all centralized for quick access and complete clarity. Here's the core workspace under My Day, Action, and Focus. You'll find a neatly organized list of daily tasks to keep you on track, perfect for starting the day with intention. The Active Projects gives you instant visibility on current initiatives such as the DHH workspace so nothing falls through the cracks. Need guidance or quick help? The KB articles section includes resources like processes, policies, and basic troubleshooting tips, ideal for both team members and new joiners. Guest management is just as seamless. Here, we're expanding the guest list where every booking is logged, ready to be accessed in just one click. Let's take a look at an Airbnb booking entry. From dates and contact information to pre-arrival tasks, everything is clearly outlined so your team can stay aligned and proactive. Need to keep track of ongoing repairs or scheduled work? The maintenance list makes it easy to monitor tasks and stay on top of property upkeep. Clicking into the employee list, you can view team member profiles like mine. Great for assigning responsibilities or quick referencing. You may also add any other additional information about your employee. Important team protocols and operational notes are kept in one place so everyone stays informed and aligned, especially during urgent scenarios. Now back to the property list. Here, we'll take a closer look at Willow Creek Cottage by clicking its card. A detailed side panel opens up with everything you need to know: property specs, maintenance logs, Wi-Fi and lock codes, emergency contacts, and even local recommendations. Truly a one-stop hub. And just like that, we're back to the top. That's a quick tour of the Airbnb OS dashboard, a smarter, calmer way to manage short-term lets. Streamline your operations, empower your team, and stay in control with Airbnb OS. Ready to simplify your day?